never look at this. They don't care that Little Caesars is 1.7 miles away. They don't care that Papa John's is 1.8 miles away. No. What they do is this. They go on the DoorDash app and they say, oh, I'm in the mood for sushi. I'm in the mood for sushi tonight. So I'm going to order this sushi. And, I'm not going to pay attention to 4 miles away, because if I'm ordering sushi from 4 miles away, I probably should tip my dasher $8. And then that makes it a good order. They don't think like that. What they think of is, I'm about to order $100 in sushi and I'm about to tip 10%. Or I'm about to order $30 in sushi and I'm gonna tip 10%. They don't think about the fact that they live 10 fucking miles away from the sushi spot. So if you are a DoorDash customer and you don't want your fucking food to be on your roof, or the fucking food to be eaten, or for a dasher like myself to come and cuss you the fuck out, understand that you need to look at how far away the fucking place is that you're ordering from, and then multiply that shit by 2. If you can't multiply your mileage by 2 and tip in that amount, you are broke. You are poor, and DoorDash is not for you. Oh, well, I thought the company was supposed to pay you. They don't, motherfucker. They don't. Your ass, who can't fucking read miles, is supposed to tip according to the mileage. So if you want to order some shit, let me see what's the furthest shit I can order. Let me see. I don't even know. Let me see. Let me see. This is probably what they do. No, not price. Let's see. Pakistani food. Where the fuck is that at? Too close. Nah, you got to order some shit from hella far away. See, I live too close to all this shit. Look, here go one. Motherfucker want to order taco. I can't even say it. Tacos El Manny. Tacos El Manny, right? But they fucking 9 miles away. So in order for you to order this fucking burrito, them fucking onions and that pepper, you need to be tipping $18. 8.8 times 2. What's that? 17 miles? That's damn near 9 miles. 8.8 is damn near 9 miles. If you ordering from 9 miles away, you better be tipping $18. Because if you're not, you are broke and you should not be ordering DoorDash. These customers are broke. And it's okay to be broke. But if you broke, don't order from 8 miles away. Order some shit that's a little bit closer. Maybe you order from 2 miles away. Because if you order from 2 miles away, you tip $5, we cool. You order from 1 mile away, you don't want to be a $5 tipper, or you want to be a $3 tipper? Okay. If you want to be a $3 tipper, order shit that's 1.7 miles away. If you want to be a $5 tipper, then you can order from a little bit further away. 2.6 miles, okay? Now, let's say you a big baller and you like to tip $6.50. Well, now you opening yourself up. Now you can order from Cracker Barrel because you ain't broke. But it be the brokest motherfuckers in the whole fucking universe, and they want to fucking order this shit right here. 8 miles away. 9 miles away. That's an 18-mile drive. So I don't care that the order is ready. I don't care if I got to wait 30 minutes. I don't care that the first dasher took the order, stole it, and I got to wait for them to remake the whole damn thing. All I care about is that this customer tipped $19. Because if they tip $18 or $19, hell, even if they tip $15, that's a good order. But 9 times out of 10, this person is a clown. They ordered from 9 miles away. They probably tip $2 if you lucky. And got the nerve to say, why is my food cold? Motherfucker, you ordered from 10 miles away. And you broke. That's why your shit on the roof. That's why your shit was eaten. That's why when you get your order, you are lucky to get that shit. Okay? Because all you had to do was understand how far you was away from where you want to order from. And everything would have been cool. But you so hungry and so broke that you don't care. And it's as simple as that. I don't even know no simpler way to say it. Like, it's literally as simple as that. All you got to do is see how far the fucking place is. Like, it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. I mean, I know math was my favorite subject growing up. So when it comes to math-related topic, it comes second nature to me. But I don't think that's too hard for somebody to understand. Let's have a look. Look, check this out. $7, 1 mile. This person lives 1 mile away from where they ordered from. And they tipped more than $3. This customer gets it.